Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Nur Syafiqah and I want to present about practical task 2, identify packet flow. So for this objective is verify connectivity, remote line network topology, one network topology. Required resource for this practical task is identify packet flow PKA. For part 1, verifying connectivity, verify address information for home network, for public network, for Cisco system network, for one network from device on home network to Cisco system network, from device on home network to public network. And yes, this is the pink area, and this is green area for public network, and this is orange area. Click PCO and desktop. Type IP config, and yes, we can see the IP address 192.168.1. Click web PKA, desktop, and IP config. You can see this network is 192.168.2 and this default gateway 192.168.1.2.1. So click www.cisco.pka for desktop, command prompt and type IP config. Yes, we can see this network for this Cisco PK is 192.168.0. And route to 4 CLI enable show IP route and yes. Click PCO, PC0, select web browser, in the URL field enter www.cisco.pka and press go. And yes, we got we successful. And PC0 web browser, type www.web.pka and it should be successful. And And yes, successful. Exit the web browser when finished. For part 2, remote LAN network topology. Observe the packet flow from home network device to public network. Show the result of packet flow before IP address has been resolved and after IP address has been resolved. In this part, I will use the simulation mode in Packet Tracer to observe of how packet flow through a remote LAN network. Switch to simulation mode. PC0. Open a web browser. Enter www.web.pka to an IP address. Click capture until the web page is displayed on PC0 to view the packet flow. And click capture. Click view previous event. And yes, the website is successful. As you can see that PCO to wireless router 0, cable mode, cloud 0, router 5, E switch 0, switch 2, web PKA switch 1, public DNS and reverse to the PCO. Router 5, switch, yes. Switch to the real-time mode. Select the arrow tool above to delete the cable switch 0 to switch 1. With a broken link in the LAN, how did the path change? So I want to record my observation. www.web.pka and go. Click the capture until the web page is displayed on PCO to view the packet flow. As you can see, yes. PC0, wireless router 0, cable modem, cloud, router 5 is switch 0, switch 2, web PKA, switch 1, public DNS, and reverse to switch 1, switch 2, switch 0 is router 5, cloud 0, cable modem, wireless router 0, and PCO. View previous events. Yes, it is successful. For the part 3, 1 network topology. Trace a route from Cisco system network device to public network. Record and match the IP address in traced result. Observe the packet flow from Cisco system network device to public network and show the result of packet flow. Real time mode. Click PC0 to website. Enter www.cisco.pka. Simulation mode. Type again www.web.pka. View previous event. Type PC0 and www.cisco.pka. Click capture. View previous event. PC0, wireless router 0, cable model, cloud 0, router 5, router 2, router 4, west, switch www.cisco.pka, and reverse the same pipe. Click the real time. Remove the link between router 4 and router 2 from the topology to simulate an initiable pipe. Switch to simulation mode. Open a web browser in tablet 0. And type www.cisco.pka. With a broken link in the one, how will the pipe change? So I want to record my observation for this. Click capture. Click view previous event. As you can see, it's successful. The pipe for this tablet 0 is table 0, wireless router 0, cable modem 0, cloud 0, router 5, router 2, router 3, router 4, where switch www.cisco.pka, and reverse in the same pipe to the tablet 0. Switch to real time mode. So step 2, PC1 to website. Click PC1, desktop, and open a command prompt. Enter tracer www.web.pka mesh in the IP address in the tracer result in this PC1. So we go to the west router, CLI, enable show IP interface brief. As you can see in the G01, yes, it's the same. Match the IP address in the tracer in R1. So we go to router 4, enable show IP interface brief. As you can see, mesh the IP address in 209.1.6.8. Router 3, enable show IP interface brief. Mesh tracer in serial 000. Mesh tracer with router 2, CLI, enable show IP interface brief. Yes, it mesh with 192.0.2.6.16. So to router 5, CLI, enable show IP interface brief. Yes, mesh with 192.0.2.26. Switch to simulation mode. Open the web browser on PC1. And enter www.web.pka. Click capture and forward to load the web page. And thank you.